Moving on to other news, homeless, jobless and often treated with suspicion, militants who took up the amnesty offer of the J&K government come back to a harsh reality.
A rare protest by former Kashmiri militants and their families in Srinagar. These are people who have returned from Pakistan as part of the government's amnesty and rehabilitation policy rolled out in 2010 for those Kashmiris in Pakistan who are willing to give up violence and return home. But homecoming has not been the experience they had hoped for.
किसी भी नेशन का फ्यूचर बच्चे होते हैं तो उनका जो उनको एडमिशन नहीं दिए जा रहे हैं। सेकंड, हम लोग होमलेस हैं। थर्ड, हम लोगों को जॉबलेस हैं हम लोग।
मुझे यहाँ पे एडमिशन नहीं मिला। मैं बीकॉम का स्टूडेंट था लेकिन यहाँ जब से हम आए हैं मैं 1 साल से घर में बैठा हुआ हूँ।
So far, nearly 300 Kashmiris who had once crossed the line of control for arms training have returned. While the row over Liaquat Shah, the alleged Hizbul militant arrested by the Delhi police, has prompted the centre to review the amnesty and rehabilitation policy, the question is, will a possible overhaul of the policy make any difference to these surrendered militants? The hope of a new beginning is turning into despair for Shabir Ahmed. After spending nearly 2 decades in POK, Shabir returned to Kashmir last year, accompanied by his Pakistani wife and 3 children. The return began with their arrest. The couple spent several months in jail, and after their release, a cold response from relatives.
केस पे उन्होंने 1-2 लाख रुपए लगाए थे। उन्होंने बोला आप केस पे 2 लाख रुपए लग गए थे, तो फिर मैंने अपना ज़मीन बेच के 2 कनाल ज़मीन बेच के उनको 2 लाख रुपए वापस कर दिए। अपने भाई को घर में भी यहाँ आने की बात हम खुद पछता रहे, हम आए क्यों था घर पे। हम वहीं ठीक थे, ना वहाँ कराए ना यहाँ के। अब
And even after embracing the government's surrender policy, these men say they are finding it tough to get jobs because of their past. Javed Ahmed, who's from Kupwara, says he's struggling to get a state subject certificate, a basic requirement for residents of Jammu and Kashmir.
अब पाकिस्तान से अगर कोई वो दूध में भी नहाया हो बेचारा, वो तब भी शक की नज़र से देखते। इसीलिए हमारे ज़्यादा यहाँ प्रॉब्लम्स होती है ना कि ये पार गए, वो किसी खाते में हो, उसने कुछ किया नहीं किया, उसको शक से देखते हैं यहाँ पे।
While there are apprehensions that the plight of those who have returned from Pakistan after renouncing militancy and arrest of Liaquat Shah on terror charges could be a stumbling block for the prospective returnees from Pakistan, sources say that the government is now taking some corrective measures to facilitate the homecoming of Kashmiri boys via Nepal after the government decision to review surrender and rehabilitation policy. In Srinagar, Nazir Masoodi for NDTV.